Hi everyone, I'm Victor. Today we'll check out the different holidays happening on April 16th. Prepare to have fun with loved ones or simply relax on your own. Happy birthday to those celebrating today. You might discover a holiday below that's perfect for your special day. National Eggs Benedict Day. National Eggs Benedict Day is celebrated annually on April 16th in the United States. This day is dedicated to honoring the classic American breakfast dish, Eggs Benedict. The dish consists of two halves of an English muffin, each topped with a slice of ham or bacon, a poached egg, and a generous helping of hollandaise sauce. On National Eggs Benedict Day, people celebrate by enjoying this delicious dish at home or at their favorite breakfast spots. Some restaurants and cafes may offer special deals or promotions on Eggs Benedict to mark the occasion. Foursquare Day. Foursquare Day is a social media holiday celebrated annually on April 16th, 4/4 Square. The day is dedicated to promoting the use of Foursquare, a location-based social networking app that allows users to check in at various venues and share their experiences with friends. Foursquare Day encourages users to explore their communities, discover new places, and connect with others through the app. The idea for Foursquare Day originated in 2010 when a Foursquare user, Nate Bonilla Warford, proposed the idea of having a day dedicated to celebrating the app and its community of users. The concept quickly gained traction, and Foursquare Day was officially endorsed by the company. Since then, it has become a global event with users and businesses participating in various activities and offering special promotions on this day. National Librarian Day. National Librarian Day is celebrated annually on April 16th in the United States. This day is dedicated to recognizing the contributions, hard work, and dedication of librarians who play a critical role in helping people find information, fostering a love for reading, and promoting lifelong learning. Librarians work in various settings, such as public libraries, schools, colleges, and universities, as well as special libraries, for example, law, medical, or corporate libraries. On National Librarian Day, individuals are encouraged to express their gratitude and appreciation for librarians by thanking them, sharing their experiences with libraries, and promoting library services on social media. Additionally, libraries may host special events or programs to honor their staff and bring attention to the important work that librarians do for their communities. Save the Elephant Day. Save the Elephant Day is observed annually on April 16th. The purpose of this day is to raise awareness about the plight of elephants and promote conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures from extinction. Elephants face numerous threats, including habitat loss, poaching for their ivory tusks, and human-elephant conflict due to expanding human populations and land use. Save the Elephant Day encourages people to learn about elephants, their importance in ecosystems, and the challenges they face in their natural habitats. Wear Pajamas to Work Day. Wear Pajamas to Work Day is an unofficial, fun holiday celebrated annually on April 16th. This lighthearted day encourages employees to wear their pajamas to work, fostering a relaxed and comfortable atmosphere in the workplace. The day offers an opportunity for employees to break from the typical dress code and enjoy a more casual environment, while also providing a chance for colleagues to bond and share a few laughs. The origins of Wear Pajamas to Work Day are not clear, but the holiday has gained popularity over the years, especially among companies and organizations with more flexible dress code policies. Go Fly a Kite Day. Go Fly a Kite Day is an unofficial holiday that encourages people to go outside, enjoy the outdoors, and experience the joy of flying a kite. While the exact date for Go Fly a Kite Day may vary depending on the source, it is often celebrated on the third Sunday of April every year. The origins of Go Fly a Kite Day are not clear, but the idea behind the celebration is simple: to promote kite flying as a fun and recreational activity that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. Kite flying has a long history, with evidence of its existence in ancient China, and it has since become a popular pastime in many cultures around the world. To participate in Go Fly a Kite Day, all you need is a kite and an open space with suitable wind conditions. Kite flying can be a great way to spend time with family or friends, enjoy the outdoors, and take a break from electronic devices. In addition to the fun and relaxation that kite flying can provide, it can also be an educational experience, teaching about aerodynamics, wind, and weather patterns. National Orchid Day. National Orchid Day is celebrated on April 16th each year. It is a day to appreciate and admire one of the largest and most diverse families of flowering plants in the world, the orchid family, Orchidaceae. Orchids are known for their exotic beauty, intricate designs, and vibrant colors, making them a popular choice for floral arrangements and decorations. National Orchid Day is a great opportunity for people to learn more about these fascinating plants and to appreciate their beauty. Many botanical gardens, plant nurseries, and flower shops offer special events or exhibits on this day to showcase the diversity of orchids and to educate people about their care and maintenance. The day is also a reminder of the importance of conserving these delicate plants and their habitats, as many species of orchids are threatened or endangered. That's it for today, and have a fantastic time celebrating.